Hey, what's up, YouTube? Good afternoon from Metro Manila, Philippines. So, it's a nice sunny day today. It's really hot. Yeah, summer season started here a couple weeks ago, I guess. Yeah, it's really hot, but we're gonna take a walk. It's like a 25-minute walk to the park. It's called Capitolio Park. But yeah, we're gonna head over there. There's very little traffic today because it's a holiday week. It's like all the Catholic holidays. I know Sunday is Easter, and then is it Fat Friday or something like that? I don't know. There's like a bunch of days of Catholic celebrations. So the streets are fairly empty, more empty than usual. But yeah, I'm just gonna get the rest of my stuff ready and we'll head out. See you guys in a bit. It's a nice sunny day, but it's very hot. Probably gonna get sunburned. Oh, look at that big rat. Big rat over there. No, there's a rat.
Oh, where?
Right there. But yeah, it's a nice calm day because of the holiday.
Yes,
Not
Maundy
a lot of
Thursday.
people. What does it even mean? I never heard of Maundy Thursday. Have you guys heard of that?
It means holy. Or
Holy
maybe
Thursday?
holy.
Is there another name for it? Because
Oh no, let me Google.
never heard of this.
They're empty.
Yeah, this side of the road doesn't have a shade, or very little. It's mostly on the other side of the road. Yeah, definitely gonna get burned after this. But yeah, besides the heat, it's a very nice day. Nice and sunny, clear skies. Yeah, I went over here to try to change my battery, my GoPro battery. And since they didn't have the battery, they told me it's a software issue. But yeah, I ended up buying the battery somewhere else. And yeah, that was the problem. Oh, they're closed today. Huh? Alright, stop by 7-Eleven, pick up a cold drink. Yeah. What should I get?
We have wine.
Oh, that's wine?
Wine we drank at this house.
I picked up this cucumber drink. Yeah, yesterday I saw a video about someone drinking a cucumber drink, and they loved it.
I love cucumber drinks.
So I want to try it. Alright, let's try it. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah, that's delicious. You want to try it?
Mine is green tea. Do you want to try? That's
Green
Taiwanese.
tea. Taiwanese green tea.
Oh, it's good. Lemon. It's good.
Oh, that's very little sugar. That's
Yeah.
very little sugar. Nice. And there's some shade here. Out of the sun. Here comes the sun. I'm burning.
I'm a vampire.
Alright, we're almost at the park. It's a very nice neighborhood. Lots of like gated off residences. Nice. Reminds me of some parts of California a little bit. Here we go. The map says the park is here. but I don't see anything. Oh, there. It's closed. Looks like a nice park though. Huh? You wanna ask?
Close po. Kailan magbubukas? Monday pa magbubukas. We're open on Monday.
Failed mission. Alright, got here to the mall, but it's closed. So we're gonna hang out at this park right here. Capitol Commons. Is this one? Okay, let's go across.
I go to this place for my favorite bar. They have a live music there for my favorite bands.
Oh, okay. So here's the Capitol Commons Park. It's actually open.
It's very near, maybe 15-20 minutes drive.
Hmm?
What is it? For the Holy Week.
They have all the stations of the cross here. Read the messages. Look at this one. I asked God for strength and He gave me struggles. That's how you get strength. You gotta go through the struggle, then you get strength.
What's that?
Yeah. All the stations.
So hot. This heat.
Yeah, so it says take a ribbon, write something that burdens you.
I hope I'm not a burden.
Rui.
What the hell?
Just kidding. There's like a few shops that are open. At Buffalo Wild Wings. And,
Very famous steak.
this one?
No,
Conti's.
What's a mango cake? I like the breeze.
Yeah, nice breeze. Nice shade from the trees. Nice.
There should be more trees in the metro.
Yeah. Trees are good.
So I should be a politician.
Huh? You should be a tree planter.
No.
Why not?
Politicians make more money.
Yeah.
I'll be a politician.
Check out this other mall here. The other one was closed, but this one is open. It's pretty similar to the other mall.
Yeah. I feel like most malls in the Philippines is the same.
Yeah, the same, what do you call it? Like, structure or whatever.
The newer ones are more exciting. The one we went to, Pasay is so nice. And Mall of Asia.
Alright, stop by this place called Singapore Roasts. Decided to try the roasted chicken. Okay, here we go. We got the Singaporean roasted chicken. Let's give it a try. Nice. chicken, put it in the dip. Yeah, this dip has ginger in it. Usually not a fan of ginger, but this one's good. Actually, this part is a little bit dry. It's good. But yeah, that part's a little bit dry. And the sauce is great though. Good stuff. It's probably one of the cheaper meals you could get in Singapore, I think.
We always eat this kind of chicken when I go out because I don't know how to cook it.
Roasted chicken? Yeah. Take a while to roast chicken. You know?
Her wedding, Carly wants to eat in a restaurant. Can you eat something else?
Why?
I mean, don't you know, but it's something I can cook at home. You know, I can cook most food, but I'm not gonna eat at the restaurant to eat.
Like a walkway up there. We're gonna check it out. Oh, this is pretty cool. Pretty nice. Yeah, plants. Pasig, the green city.
It's better than living in Makati. Makati is so busy.
Yeah. It's a cool walkway. Never seen anything like this before.
Because Pasig has the best mayor. I love the mayor.
The mayor?
He's the best mayor. Like during the pandemic, I lived in Pasig. Life was so nice. Flowers.
Some nice flowers on this tree. Okay, check out these electrical things. Imagine having to work on that. We got it across the street too. Alright, we're gonna get back down and continue on the street. Look at this. Oh, look, a bird. A bird made a nest right there. Oh, never mind. That's not a nest. That's just rope. And this is nuts. Huh? Here we have the mascot of the Philippines.
Hey, can I take a picture of them? You do it too like that. You do that.
Oh, it's a procession.
Sa JP siya lumaki po yung Russell, no?
Huh? PC. Yeah, this is the one we came to last time, right?
Yeah, this one. Wow. We made it. We're going tomorrow, 3 p.m. Like 2 people.
A lot of processions. Said there's a lot of processions going on.
Yeah.
That's for the Stations of the Cross.
I feel like I don't know. I don't
Yeah,
even touch
everybody's
it.
doing the Stations of the Cross today. Yeah. I did the Stations of the Cross a long time ago in Croatia, and we had to like climb like a whole mountain, and we did it barefoot. So yeah, that was pretty crazy. I'm not sure how crazy it gets over here. It's another procession. I thought it was a funeral procession earlier. Yeah.